Hello guys, welcome here to another piano lesson. And so today I'll teach you how to play Akamdinelu by Mercy Chinwo. Alright, so I'll play in the key of C, then I give you a full piano tutorial. Alright, so listen and be blessed. Okay. Lord is to me, He can never let me down. My own strength fails me, friends and family send their blessing. Lord is to me, He can never let Jesus, Akamdinelu. Alright guys, so that's a rundown song, and it's similar to the one I played in a previous lesson. Alright, that Jesus Umikanaya. It has a similar chord progression, okay, but not the same. Okay, so the chord progression is a very simple one, guys. Alright, so I will start with the intro. Alright, I'll start with the intro. Alright, okay, okay, so do, remember we are playing the key of C. 1 do 4 1 4 do 1, okay, do 5. Alright, I'm even playing the added 4. Alright, do so 9, added G added 9. Okay, la sol la fa mi. Okay, then so the chord progression is a very simple one. Jesus 1, Jesus Akamdinelu. That's 1 4 all what I was adding and subtracting and dividing was just all for fun. All right, so that's all about the song, guys. That's all about the song. I hope you learned something, and do wait to subscribe to my channel. And I was also applying my left. Most of the time let me put in a way that you will get it very well. Okay. That's what I was playing with my left. All right.